What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Shane Romani. If you guys don't know me already, here's my IG, and I drive the gray Lancer. My partner Mateo, he drives the Jetta. So if you guys are tuning in for the first time, here's our ats, and our other information is in the description. Alright guys, today we got a mod that it really isn't anything too special, but it is for me because if you guys know me, I like my music. And with that being said, today we got Gary out here, and we just picked up a new package. So this is one of those Android tablet smart screens for your car, and I got this crappy radio. Yeah, if you have a 2007 to 2017 and you live here in the Toronto area, hit up my boy on Facebook Marketplace. He'll slide you a nice package right here. So hopefully this shit works. I'm gonna try to do it myself. I'm not that great at wiring, so we're gonna see how it goes. But if you guys are like me and don't know what the hell you're doing and want to switch your crappy radio, this is literally just a plug and play. So let's start playing and let's start plugging. Don't know why I said that, but let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're back into the interior right now. Last video was the carbon fiber wrap, so make sure you go check that out because it made it look sick. This video came rid of this junky piece of shit. It is so ugly. Actually, it doesn't even look that bad on camera. Like, this area right here looks pretty sick, only because of the carbon fiber. So we're just gonna make it look even 10 times better, guys. So let's chain this interior up. Also guys, I'm not going to be filming too much as I don't have the tripod, so I showed you guys basically how to take off this stuff in the last video. So I'll go through it quickly and let's just get to it. There's gonna be another short video for you guys. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna take this off again. So if I remember correctly, see, this is gonna be hard to film. So hopefully you guys saw that. Basically just squish these two in and then it comes out. You can also take your piston out here. I don't really know how to do it. I don't even know. That's how you do it. Screw right here. You're gonna take off this screw and you're gonna pop this off. So let's get that. Alright guys, so after you get that screw, just take this thing off right here. And then you got another screw for this panel right here. And then after that screw, that's just it. So let's get that. Alright, now after that, we're just gonna... really don't want to... Yeah, there we go. So we're just gonna clip it off like that. Try not to ruin my wrap here. Guys, all we have to do is literally just start pulling with like one of your trim poppers, and then the rest comes out. Alright guys, so we got the stock radio out right there. Alright guys, so right here we have the new dash kit. So this is basically literally just gonna sit right in the same spots. And all we have to do is just transfer the hazard stuff over to it. And then the screen right here is literally just plug and play. So let's see if we can figure this out. Hopefully we don't run into any trouble. Okay, so basically at this moment I'm literally just transferring the vents from the old one to the new one. So there is two pieces on each side. You're just gonna pop these clips off of it right there. So grab a flathead or some sort of trim popper, and that'll be that piece right there. And those pieces don't have it, so we're literally just taking this, and then we're also taking this off too. Okay, so I'm thinking, took out the screws for this, and here's the actual radio in here, which is gonna give me access to all these. Oops, it's gonna give me access to all these wires. Here are the wires I was looking for. Okay, I couldn't find the wires for this thing. Just plug this black one into there. It's all plug and play, so it's easy to figure out. I couldn't find it, and I forgot that I had to take this big box out. Alright, so I put the new thing on, and literally the way you just do it is pop the vents in the same way you took them off. Alright guys, so we're back. It is the next day and we got the screen all working and fixed up. Went to the boy's house, picked up a new harness because yesterday we had a problem with the harness. It wouldn't want to go in, so he gave me a new harness, and now we're all set. I also did pick up some Apple CarPlay. So I picked up the Apple CarPlay, and it is over there. My phone is not connected, but he already set it up, downloaded the app and everything, so everything's ready for that. Alright, so basically right now we just have the screen chilling out. Right now I haven't put anything back yet. I don't have the tripod or any way to really film everything, so I'm gonna try to show you guys as best as possible. Basically we're gonna start putting everything back together now. Alright guys, so you can see there's all the wires here. This one here is for the USB. I'm also gonna plug in another one just for an extra USB port. I won't even need it, but I'm gonna plug it in anyway so I don't have to take this out and do it again. This right here is for, I don't know what that's for, but it's in there. And then we got the power supply here, or not the power supply, this is the aux, and then the power supply. And then somewhere there's supposed to be a black wire right here, which is right here. This is supposed to be in here. And then this is our, pretty sure this is, I don't even know what these stuff are, okay? You guys might know what it is. Anyways, here's the GPS. We're also going to plug the GPS in today. So let's plug those stuff in. Okay, before we did that, I did take it off because I forgot I have to put the whole harness thing back together. So let's get some wiring situated and then we can do that. There we go. Sometimes you just need to be a little bit rough. We got your power, your GPS, whatever 4G is. So, oh, that's the Wi-Fi, I think, or like the data it comes with or something. I don't know what it is. I'm tripping. Anyways, then we got our ANT. So basically, this is where that cord goes to. So this is going to be for our Apple CarPlay. This one is going to be the other USB, your power supply. So these are already hooked up. There you guys, we'll put it in like that. There's our power right there. This white one, we'll stick it in right here. These, start stuffing these wires in there. In there, like that. Take carbon fiber. That made a weird sound. Alright guys, the car's a mess, but the screen and everything is all good to go. Apple CarPlay is hiding in there. Might need to change it to more accessible, but we'll go over everything. I just want to clean the whip real quick so it looks presentable. So let's do that. Alright guys, the whip is all cleaned up. Not vacuumed or anything, just tidied up, got rid of everything. But man, am I stoked for this screen, guys. Alright guys, let's go over everything we got here. So first things first is we got the GPS right here, okay? Then obviously we have the new unit with the new dash kit, and then we have this wire right here to charge your phone, right? But that is the Apple CarPlay. And then there is the other USB is connected to another charger just in case any of my friends want to charge their phones if they're in the passenger seat or something. The wire does hang like that, but like when I want to get out and give it a cleaner look, or I'm not even using it, like just toss it away real quick. I am probably going to try to figure out a better way to hide the wire more, because I don't like wires hanging everywhere. Or just like this one where it's like not really too noticeable because it's black. And we'll get a black charger and it won't be as noticeable. Alright guys, now let's get to it. I got the keys right here. Let's get into it. Alright, and as it does, it starts right up on Apple CarPlay. So I got everything here, got all my stuff. We're not going to look into too much stuff like that. But the screen's pretty good. Not too much lag. It's pretty nice. Got my Spotify, my WhatsApp. I got Google Maps. And I went for work, because that's usually what I do. Oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. So if I press start, okay, yeah, that's pretty sick. I'm going to enjoy that a lot. I'm going to use that tomorrow for work. Spotify, got all my music right here. This is so sick, guys. Like, I actually love this. Oh my god, yeah, I got my recent searches. You already know, got the UK. Then we got my songs right here. This is gonna be pretty dope. And my data transfers over to this anyways. The calls weren't so great. I can hear them perfectly on the Apple CarPlay, but they couldn't really hear me. But if I switched it off of Apple CarPlay, and like on your phone you can switch it to like speaker or like whatever you have Bluetooth connected. So there's Apple CarPlay, my speaker, and then there was just the car itself, like the unit itself. So if you go to the unit itself, they dim down a bit, but they can hear you way better. So it's up to you what you really want to do. It works good. There is also a mic there, so if you want that to have better calls and stuff like that, then just get a mic, right? We have the normal stuff right here. We got some car settings here. You can do a bunch of stuff. The sound settings, all that, car settings, Android settings, all that jazz. We got apps. You can have apps. We got Bluetooth. If you don't have the Apple CarPlay, you got videos. You got calculator. We got Google Chrome. You got downloads. So if you download stuff onto here, you can check your downloads. So you can watch movies. You got the Play Store. You got one thing I really want to do is this. Man, that's satisfying as heck, bro. Look how clean that screen is. Holy. I hope you guys like that cinematics. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I do love the screen and I can't wait to start trying it. I drove it home while using the screen and the screen wasn't even in, and then when I was listening to the music, it was amazing. I just felt way nicer. Just makes the car a lot more enjoyable. So I love the screen. It's great. If you guys want to get one, please do. They're cheap, they're nice, they're just plug and plays, very simple. I just ran into a problem just because, and that's very rare that will happen. So it's literally just plug and play and you guys got nothing to worry about. No, I didn't go into too much depth and I don't really know what I'm talking about, like about electrical wise and all those wires and what they're called, but hopefully this video did help you guys out if you have an Android unit like this. If you guys live in the Toronto area, anyone in Ontario, you can pretty much cop this from this guy. You know, the TLC group, you guys already know what it is. If you guys do want to get yourself an Android screen, get one of these because they're fire. If I can find some similar, I will link it in the description. It is getting windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. But anyways, guys, I'm trying to stay off to the side a bit so you guys can't get too much wind noise. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope hopefully this video helped you out, and hopefully you like this model. So there's much to come, so stay tuned, and make sure to comment, subscribe, and share to family members.